Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to download the Truist mobile app in 2025. If you're a Truist Bank customer and want to manage your money from your phone, I'll show you exactly how to install and set it up step by step. Let's get started. First, open your App Store if you're on iPhone or the Google Play if you're on Android. In the search bar, tap Truist Mobile. Look for the official app with the purple Truist logo. By Truist Financial Corporation, then tap Install or Get. Once it finishes downloading, tap Open to launch the app. On the welcome screen, tap Login if you already have an online banking account or enroll now if you're new. If you're logging in, enter your user ID and password, then tap Login. If you're enrolling, follow the on-screen steps to verify and identify and create your login credentials. After setup, you can check balances, transfer money, pay bills, and even deposit checks right from your phone. And that's how you download and install the Truist mobile app in 2025. It's quick, safe, and gives you full control of your banking anywhere, anytime. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step app guides. See you in the next one.